talking about this the other night. I wanted to clean this up a little bit, because what I have right now is just this power strip just kind of hanging from that outlet up there that I put in for the fan, for the exhaust fan. So what I want to do is actually put an outlet right here. So what I'm going to do is tap into this outlet from the other side, run the Romex through and put an outlet right here in the middle of this wall, so that I can plug up fans and other equipment that may not work on 220 or 240. I have plenty of 240 power in here, but I've got some fans that work off of 120 only. Luckily there's no stud in between here. I had to run this, a while back, so I know that there's no stud like in the middle. So it's not going to be any problem, going from in the wall just on the other side right here. Basically, this one's not in the middle. So if I put it on the other side, like right around in here, then it'll be fine. Piece of cake. Piece of cake. Let's do this. So what I'm going to do is just take this outlet out and probably just pre-wire, basically throw a wire through the back and down over this way so that I can grab it whenever I cut a hole in the wall on the other side. At least that's what the plan is. I'm just going to measure over, see how far this is. I'm probably going to try to put it in the middle, but I just want to see the distance here. It's like about 18 or so. The rigs are right behind me, so this is really tight in here. I think I'm going to be able to push that through there. Let's find out. This is just 14.2, which is all you need for a 15 amp circuit. So what I ended up doing was feeding it up through the other outlet, and I should be able to grab it here and bring it down, hopefully. Feel it. There we go. Okay. Now, these little friction probably go on the top. Yeah, so see the other side looks like this. I just fed the Romex up through the inside, and that's how I was able to get it from the other side. Black always goes to brass. I think what I'm going to do here is actually pigtail everything. You see how this is already pigtailed for the ground. So I think I'm going to take each one and pigtail it to this outlet. I think that'll be the safest, best way to do it. I think so. So I got a little bit ahead of myself. This outlet does not work. So I gotta figure that out. Y'all see what I forgot? I forgot to put the pigtail from here to there. That's funny. That's just one of the things that happens whenever you're rushing. Alright, so I'm guessing now it'll work. Since I got the pigtail on there now. And yes, I did turn the circuit breaker back off before I started messing with this again. So now I'm gonna go turn it back on and double check everything again. Power back on, looking pretty good. Check this outlet now. Make sure. There we go. Now we're good. So now instead of having that power strip hanging from the outlet up there, now it's all super clean. The pin was cool. I even did a little bit of cable management on the rack here, ridge here. A little bit. I didn't go crazy or nothing with it, but cleaned it up a little bit.